everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 1929, concatenation of array. Given an integer array nums of length n, you want to create an array answer of length 2n. Okay, this is on logic they given. But answer of I is equals to nums of I, and answer of I plus n is equals to nums of I. For all 0 is less than or equals to I is less than n. Okay. Especially answer is the concatenation of two arrays. We need to return the answer array. Okay. What they given question as one nums of array. Okay, with the length n. We need to create an array of length 2n. Okay, and that we need to form answer of the concatenation of two nums array. Okay, so in the example what they given 1 2 1 and output is the 1 2 1 and same elements repeating 1 2 1 with the element with the size of 2n. Okay, and the given explanation the answer is formed as follows. Nums of 0, nums of 1, nums of 2. Again, it's starting from nums of 0, nums of 1, nums of 2. This is the question given. Okay. Now I will show in the whiteboard how it is going to work. See what they given nums. Nums what they given? They given 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, with the size of 3 elements. See 1, 2, 1. This is a nums array. We need to form answer array. This is answer array. Okay. See what they told nums of I is answer I is equals to nums of I. See same elements will be stored 1 2 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. See this be done. Now what I am doing? See I done answer of I is equals to nums of I. This be done. Now we should see this one how it is going to work. Answer I will start from 0. Okay, n there are 3 elements in this example. Okay, nums of 0. Okay, see answer of 3. Nums of 0 means what here? See I will write index 0 1 2. Okay, nums of 0 will be 1. In answer 3 I will be stored 1. See in the third index I will be stored 1. Okay, see now our answer, now our I value will be 2. So now our I value will be 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Our answer value is 4. Nums of 1. Okay. Nums of 1 what is there? 2, right? 2. In answer 4 I will be stored in. Now our I value will be 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 equals to nums of 2. Okay. Answer 5. Nums of 2 what is there? 1. Okay. I will be stored 1 in the. Okay. This is the logic they given. By keeping these all things in mind, let's how we can write the logic for this code. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm taking a vector. Okay, vector. I will be stored my nums value in that. Okay, I will take for loop. Okay, first for I will take two for loops. Okay, first for loop I will insert all these elements 1 2 1. Okay, after I will take again for loop, I will store these elements in that. Okay, how it is going to work I will show in the code. We are given get concatenation as function and passing the parameters of nums vector. It is integer type. Okay, after that what I done, I created an empty vector with the answer. Okay, I initialized n variable with the size of input vectors. Okay, after that I taking two for loops and one for loop, what it will iterating the input vector of nums. Okay, it will nums for once. Okay, this is for twice I will be taken. It will be start for twice I need to print the element, so I taking two for loops. Okay, finally I will returning the answer. How it is going to work, I will go with first example. Okay, 1 2 1 with the size n value is 3. Okay, starting my I value will be 0. I will insert the elements 1. Okay, now I value will be incremented to 1. Now I will insert second element by using the answer pushback function. Okay, it is now I value will be 2. I will push back the 1. Okay, now our I value will be 3. This condition will become false because 3 will be less than 3. this condition is false, we will come out of this for loop. Now see what our I value will be. Again, it will start from 0. Okay, all elements already it will be inserted, these elements. Okay, now when I value will be 0, our 1 value will be inserted. Okay, our I value will be 1, then our 2 value will be inserted. Now I value will be 2, then the 1 will be inserted. Okay, when I value will be 3, same, it will come out of the for loop, and finally we are returning these elements as answer. Okay, this is the logic of this code. Okay, in this logic, time complexity and space complexity is taking big of n, because time complexity is big of n, because we are iterating all the for loop once. If this for loop is taking n, and this for loop is also taking, we're taking the time complexity of 2n, n plus n is 2n. Okay, where 2 is constant, so we are telling it is taking time big of n. Okay, and space complexity is taking big of n, because we are taking the vector, we are storing all the nums in the vector, so it is consuming some amount of space. Okay, with other approach. Okay, in this logic, what I done, I taken n with the input size as n in stored in the n variable. Okay, after I taken one for loop, I will start to iterate all the elements. After I'm pushing the elements of nums of I. In this, what will be there? Already my elements will be there. 1, 2, 1. All the nums elements. Okay. Just what I will do, I will start I value 0. Then these elements will be there. No, just I will be add again once 1. When I value will be 0, I will be add 1. When I value will be 1, I will add 2. When I value will be 2, I will add 1. After when I value will be 3, this condition will become false. We will come out of the for loop. Finally, we are returning these elements 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. In this logic, what is happening? Time complexity is taking big of n, because we are iterating all the elements once, and the space complexity is taking big of 1, because we are not taking any data structure, and it is not taking any consumes amount of space. Okay, so space complexity is big of 1. Without using any iterating for loop, there is another logic I will show you. Okay, just I'm taking nums, I'm taking one method insert as one function. In this logic, what I done, I taken nums dot insert. I am calling insert method. Okay, it is taking 3 parameters. One is nums dot end, nums dot begin, and nums dot end. Okay, where nums dot end is the position where to be inserted. Okay, and from nums dot begin and nums dot end means it is the range where the element starts to begin and where the elements to the end. Finally, I will return the nums. How it is going to work means, see, already the elements will be 1, 2, 1, because these are the nums elements. Where to start? It starts from here, okay? From third index, okay? 1. It is a range from where to start. 1 it will start, okay? Where to end? It will be end. This is the logic of, okay? In this logic also, the time complexity is taking big of n, because we are using the insert function. It is taking the time complexity of big of n, and space complexity is big of 1, because we are not taking any extra amount of space. It consumes only constant amount of space. Thank you guys for watching my video.